My dear students, ICSE Board Paper Mathematics 2025-26, question number 6, first part. There are three parts. First part is question on share and dividend. Kabir bought 120 shares of a company which with nominal value is rupees 100, available at a premium of rupees 25. Find the money invested by Kabir in buying these shares. The rate of dividend if he receives rupees 1080 as dividend from these shares after 1 year. And C part is find the rate of return. What is given? First you write the given. Given is Kabir bought 120 shares. It means number of shares. Solution. Number of shares is equal to 120 of a company with nominal value. Nominal value means face value, or you can write face value or you can write nominal value, is rupees 100, available at a premium of rupees 25. Premium is equal to rupees 25. Find the money invested by Kabir in buying these shares. इन्वेस्टमेंट का फार्मूला क्या होता है? मार्केट वैल्यू इंटू नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स. नाउ मार्केट वैल्यू, the shares at premium of rupees 25, you add in face value, you will get market value rupees 125. Now A part, investment. The money invested by Kabir mean you have to find investment, which is equal to market value into number of shares. 125 into 120, which is equal to 15000 mean 15,000. This is the answer A. This is the answer A. Okay. Now next is B part. The rate of dividend if he receives 1080 as dividend from the shares after 1 year. The rate of dividend. Dividend is given. Dividend mean income. 1080. This is the income. Now rate of dividend mean dividend percent. Rate of dividend mean dividend percent. How to find dividend percent? Dividend is calculated on the face value. Now this is total face value. This is a total dividend. It means dividend upon total face value. Total face value into 100. Dividend percent का फार्मूला क्या होता है? Dividend upon face value, but this is a total dividend he received, so upon total face value. This is equal to 1080 upon face value is 100. Total face value mean into number of shares. 120 into 100. This 100 cancel with 100. Now 0 cancel with 0. 12, 9 the 108, which is equal to 9%. This is the answer of part B. This is the answer of part B. Now next, rate of interest. Find the rate of return. Rate of return mean R%. There is a formula, R% into MV is equal to D% into FV. Dividend is calculated on the face value. So R% you can say R percent is equal to D percent into face value upon market value, which is equal to D percent is 9 into face value is 100, market value is 125, 25 5 the 25 4 the, which is equal to 36 upon 5, which is equal to 535.105 to the 10, 7.2%. This is the answer, part C. So this was the question on share and dividend. Question number 6, part 1. Now part 2, question number 6, part 2. Find the mean of the following frequency distribution using step deviation method. You know there are 3 methods to find the mean. One is direct method, second is assumed mean method, that is shortcut method also, and number 3, step deviation method. Now this question solved by step deviation method. This is a horizontal line, you convert it into column, that will be easy. Now step deviation formula, you first write the formula of step deviation method. X bar mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi, sigma means summation, into C, where A is called assumed mean. A is called assumed mean. A is assumed mean, and Ui is equal to Xi minus deviation upon C. What is C? C is equal to class size. This is class size. Here class size is 8. Here class size is 8. A is assumed mean. First you find Xi. First you find Xi, mid value, class mark. How to find mid value? 0 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 plus 16, 24 divided by 2, 12. Next 20, 28, 36 and 44. These are Xi. Now we need Ui. Next you write Ui is equal to Xi minus A upon C. Assumed mean from Xi, I think this is given. Sometimes in question take assumed mean is 28. So इसका आपने ध्यान रखना है कि assumed mean जो given है वही यूज़ करेंगे हम, 28. Otherwise you can take any value. Mostly we take the middle value, this or this, but this is given, so keep it in mind कि जो हमें गिवन है उसको ही रखना आपने 28, अपना कोई और नहीं अज्यूम करना आपने. तो दिस इज 28, दिस इज A. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड Ui? Xi minus A. 4 minus 28 is minus 24 divided by C. Minus 24 by 8 means minus 3. 12 minus 28 minus 16 upon 8 minus 2. You know, when we get Ui, that is very simple. You first find first number, then you add 1, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, -1 plus 1 0, and 0 plus 1 1 plus 1 2. You will get the, always you get the same values. First find the value, then add 1 to all the values, you get the next number. That is very to save the time. Very easy to save the time. Now FIUI. FIUI mean multiply frequency FIUI. इसका आपको ध्यान रखना है कि जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे FIUI तो बड़े ध्यान से करना. समटाइम हमारा ध्यान यहाँ चले जाता है तो वो हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. इसका हमने ध्यान रखना है. Now 10 into -3 is -30. 20 into -2 -40. 14 into -1 -14. 16 into 0 18 into 1. 22 into 2 44. Now these are the positive values 62, and these are the negative values -84. Now -84 plus 62 is what? 22 negative. Negative 22. Now what is the total frequency? 2 plus 8 10, 16, 20, 0, 2 plus 2 4, 1 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10. This is the 100. Sigma Fi. This is sigma Fi. Now put the values in the formula. X bar is equal to A. A is what? 28 plus sigma Fi is FIUI mean -22 upon sigma Fi is 100 into C. C is 8, which is equal to 28 plus minus 22 into 8 176 upon 100, which is equal to 28 minus 1.76, which is equal to 26.24. This is the answer. This was question number 6, second part. Now question number 6 का third part. Question on word problem in quadratic. Quadratic questions में स्टेटमेंट सम का क्वेश्चन है ये. द डिफरेंस ऑफ टू नेचुरल नंबर इज 5. गिवन है हमारे पास डिफरेंस ऑफ टू नेचुरल नंबर्स इज इक्वल टू 5 एंड सम ऑफ देयर रेसिप्रोकल, sum of their reciprocals is equal to 3/10. Okay. Find the two numbers. तो natural number mean the number should be positive. If there is a negative number we get, then we can reject it that. Now let one number be x, therefore other number yani second number. Other number means second number is equal to x plus 5. The difference is 5. Now x plus 5 minus x is 5. So you can suppose these two numbers. According to question, sum of their reciprocal 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 3 upon 10. So take the LCM. X into x plus 5, we get, now this divided by this x cancel, we get x plus 5 into 1, x plus 5 plus LCM divided by x plus 5, we get x into 1 is x, which is equal to 3 by 10. Now x plus x, 2x plus 5 upon x square minus 5x is equal to 3 upon 10, cross multiply, 3 into x square plus 3 into 5x, 15x is equal to 10 into 2x, 20x plus 10 into 5, 50. Now write the standard form, that is 3x square plus 15x minus 20x minus 50. In quadratic equation always keep the right side 0. राइट साइड में हमेशा 0 लिखो, बाकी सारे लेफ्ट में ले आओ. You get 3x square minus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. Now splitting term, middle term splitting, 3 into 5, 3 into 50, 150. That is product. We need sum is minus 5. What are the two numbers whose product is minus 150 and sum is minus 5? 15 10 the 150. Okay. Minus 15 plus 10 we get minus 5. 3x square minus 15x plus 10x minus 50 is equal to 0. Now take common 3x, x minus 5 plus 10 x minus 5 equal to 0, x minus 5 into 3x plus 10 equal to 0. Either product 0 mean either this 0 or this 0. We get x is equal to 5, 3x is equal to minus 10, x is equal to minus 10 upon 3, which is negative. Moreover, this is a fraction also. Natural numbers are only counting numbers, positive numbers, so it is rejected. It is rejected, or you can write not applicable. Whatever you feel, you like, you write. Now this is number, x is 5. What are the two numbers, x and x plus 5? Therefore, first number is 5 and next number 5 plus 5, 10. This is the answer. This was question number 6, third part. I have solved the question number 6, all the 3 parts. Please, if you like my explanation, please like it, share it and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.